Hello and welcome back with the next video of DAA, that is binary search condition and algorithm. I'm going to teach now. Okay, what is binary search algorithm? It is an efficient searching. Okay, while searching the element using this method in the array to be sorted one. Okay, using this method to be applied using this method, it require an array that is to be sorted. Okay, the element that inside it's have to be sorted. So this follow the binary search algorithm where we are going to search any element that is presented in array or not. The element that we are going to search, that we call it as key element, and yes, A of M, that we call it as mid element of an array A. The basically we are going to search any element that is present or not, using this binary search algorithm. What the condition it require, the element use that element that require the sorted array. Okay, the condition we are going to find any element in array, that is condition key equal to A of M. Search the element to be searched, it is key, and then equal to mid value an element. So key equal to A of M, that is an element presented in array. When it is lesser than the middle value, you have to first, we are dividing the problem to right and left, so you have to go through the left sublist. When it is less, when it is greater than, key is greater than the middle value, then you have to search for the right sublist. The above equation that follows the divide and conquer strategy, where we have to divide the big problems into the smaller one, then going to apply the all this technique for the binary search algorithm. And it algorithm as follows. Okay, first what it tell, C and D of algorithm, C and D of problems, and it has to be, when it is small, then it return is small, no division of the problem is occur. When it is large, then when it is large, it is divided into the instance of P1 and P2. For this also P1 and P2, P3, P4 can say. Okay, then you have to apply in the formula, and then these problems are divided into sub problems, and when these problems are solved, then it has to be combined, and it gives P1, P2, P3 and P4. What it tells, combine all this formula, DNC of each of these sub problems, that is to be combined, and it returns the solution to the whole problem, P3 and P4. That's what about the algorithm of binary search. So if you find my video anywhere useful, just like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.